Hey everyone, this is going to be a short little tutorial on how to apply your Lip Sense lip color. Now I'm going to talk a little bit first because it's going to be, once I start applying it, it's kind of difficult to talk. So here's the things you need to know. First of all, before you get ready to apply your lip color, you need to make sure your lips are ready. First, I just got out of the shower, and when I was in there, I used a warm cloth and really scrubbed my lips, got all the maybe peeling skin, dry skin, whatever, off of there. And if you didn't just get out of the shower, just use a warm cloth and prepare your lips for that, and make sure that they dry really well. When you get ready to use your lip color, you want to be sure that you shake it really well. Shake it for 8 or 10 seconds. Make sure that you've really shaken it well. And you want to always be sure that you apply 3 coats of color. Don't skimp on that because it really will make it stay better. Now, you can customize your colors by doing a coat of a darker color and then adding some lighter colors on top. There's lots of ways you can customize the color, but just be sure that you use 3 coats of color, thin, easy coats, and make sure that you let it dry in between coats. So here we go. I've shaken my color. I'm using Dawn Rising this morning, which is one of my very favorite colors. I've shaken it really well. Now I always start off. Also, be sure you only go one direction. I didn't mention that. Don't go back and forth because that just kind of takes the color right back off. I always outline my lips a little bit first using the Cupid's bow. Kind of outline that a little, and then around the edge of my lip. And then I do the same thing on the bottom. Okay, now that's not my first coat, that's just my line. So here's now my first coat, and I'm going to do one direction and then the other direction. Same thing on the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to have to stop talking. Okay, let that dry. It will sting just a little bit. It's got that alcohol in there, so you'll feel that alcohol burn just a little bit, which is good. That's what's making it stick to your lips. All right, when that's dry, after a few seconds, we're going to go for coat number 2. Kind of awkward here. All right, when you feel like that's dry, go for coat number 3. Make sure you got it up in the corners there. If you hadn't, just go back and make sure you did that. Okay, make sure that third coat is extremely dry. So much fun. And then I'm going to be using just plain old glossy gloss this morning. This is just a great everyday look. And then you can go back and forth with the gloss. Make sure you get it covered really well. That's fine to rub your lips together once you've put the gloss on, but don't do that when you have just the color. It's very sticky and it'll just mess it up. So I'm ready for the day. That was Dawn Rising with Glossy Gloss, and just feel free to have fun with it. Thanks. See ya.